Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into something that changing the lives of people with diabetes worldwide, the Freestyle Libre 3 Plus. Whether you are newly diagnosed or already using a glucose monitor or just curious about the latest technology, this video will give you everything you need to know in just a few minutes about Freestyle Libre 3 Plus. So what exactly is the Freestyle Libre 3 Plus? It is about latest continuous glucose monitoring system, or CGMS, that's what we call it. In short, instead of a finger prick test, this little sensor stick to your upper arms and continuously track your glucose levels day and night. Simple as that. Let's look into what are the main key features of this Freestyle Libre 3 Plus. It has 15-day wear. One sensor lasts up to 15 days. That 2 full weeks of continuous tracking without any replacement. And real-time streaming. No more scanning required. The Libre 3 Plus streams glucose reading directly to your smartphone every single minute. It is small and discreet. It is the smallest available sensor on the market, thinner than 2 stacked pennies. So it is comfortable and almost invisible under clothing. Strong Bluetooth connectivity with a 10-meter range. Your data synchronized and reliable. Even if your phone isn't right next to you, doesn't matter. Still, you get continuous glucose readings in your phone. Safe for all ages. Approved for kids as young as 2 years old, adult, and even during pregnancy. It has a pump connectivity, works with the pump called Ipsomed insulin pump for automated insulin delivery. It has water resistance. You can shower or swim with it up to 30 minutes in 1 meter depth. It has custom alert. You can set a glucose range from 3.3 to 22.2 millimole per liter. So you will know right away if you are going too high or too low. Data sharing. Using the Libre Link apps, family and friends or even caregivers can follow your readings remotely. Extra reader function. This reader can also check for blood ketones when needed. So what are the benefits? You don't have to stress too much. No needles, no strips. Just glance at your phone for instant glucose updates. It has smarter decisions. You don't just see your number, you see where it's going up or down or steady by looking at that trend arrow. So you can adjust meal, exercise or insulin dosing based on the trend arrow. It has remote support. Your doctor or diabetes educator can see your glucose trend and help fine-tune your treatment. And you can easily have a peace of mind for parents. If you're a child has diabetes, you can get alert when their glucose goes too high or too low with the Libre Link apps. Just a reminder, in future, only Libre 2 Plus and Libre 3 Plus will be available on the market. Even though Libre 3 Plus doesn't need scanning, but when you come to hypoglycemia or low blood sugars, please use your glucose monitor to check blood sugars. Finger prick is more accurate when you come to low readings. Let's look into how to apply Libre 3 Plus sensor. This is Libre 3 Plus sensor. You can use Libre 3 reader for this. This is literally the apparatus. Just open. Very simple, you don't have to do anything. Simply apply on your upper arm. It's only licensed to apply on the upper arm. But before you apply, please make sure the site is clean with an alcohol wipes. First of all, clean the site with an alcohol wipes. Once you clean, apply the sensor. Make sure edges are fixed properly. Once you've done that, take the reader and scan. First 60 minutes will be warming up period. Once you finish that warming up period, you'll be able to scan every 15 minutes. Now, if you like this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe and share it. I will come back with new videos about diabetes and related technologies. Thank you very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.